yung NUPL or National Union of People's Lawyers, ang sinabi nila ay dapat daw siguro or maganda siguro kung isubmit yung findings ng Quadcom sa ICC. Would you agree with this, Kong?
Well, I think hindi namin trabaho yun eh. More importantly, that we are not part of the ICC anymore. Ako, very vocal ako noong paman eh. Sinasabi ko na nakalabas na tayo sa ICC, bakit tayo papasok pa dyan? If they need the documents pertaining to their own investigation, they can get it from us anytime, no? Ilalagay pa nga namin yan sa website. Kanina nga, we have submitted all those documents pertaining to those Chinese pretending to be Filipinos who are owning corporations,
OSG.
who bought so many properties. So makukuha nila yon sa Office of the Solicitor General to form part of their investigation. Pero yung tayo mismo magsusurrender ng ating mga naimbestigahan, we will not do that.